If you've ever found yourself playing video games for hours and thought, I wonder if I could make money doing this, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share exactly how you can earn up to $2,000 or more by playing video games for just 6 hours a day and streaming your gameplay to a global audience. Yes, you heard that right. You can turn your love for gaming into a source of income. And the best part, you don't have to be a professional gamer to make money. All you need is a passion for gaming and the willingness to share your journey with others. This is Billy Profits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country, so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. So, how does it work? Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, and others allow you to stream your gameplay live, interact with viewers, and receive virtual gifts, tips, and donations that can be converted into real money. Some of these platforms even have ways to earn money through advertisements, paid subscriptions, and affiliate marketing. But let's get into the details and explore how you can get started. I'll walk you through 5 of the best sites where you can stream and earn big from the comfort of your gaming setup. Let's start with Twitch, the most well-known platform for gamers to stream live content. Twitch offers a wealth of monetization opportunities for streamers, including ads, subscriptions, donations, and of course, gifts in the form of bits from viewers. So how do you start earning on Twitch? First, you'll need to create a free account on Twitch and set up your profile. You'll want to make your profile look appealing with a unique channel name, a catchy bio, and attractive graphics. You don't need anything too fancy at first, just make sure it's engaging. Then, you'll need to set up your streaming gear. You don't need the most expensive equipment, but a good camera, microphone, and gaming setup will make a big difference. You can stream directly from your console or PC, but using streaming software like OBS, Open Broadcaster software, will give your stream a more professional look. Once you're all set up, it's time to start streaming. Pick a game you enjoy and start streaming. Engage with your viewers as much as possible. The more interactive and fun your stream is, the more likely viewers will donate. Encourage them to send bits. These are Twitch's virtual gifts, and each bit is worth about $0.01. So if someone sends you 1,000 bits, that's $10. As your audience grows, you can apply for Twitch's partner or affiliate program. This allows you to earn through ads, subscriptions, and even receive more donations. On average, streamers who are active and have loyal followers can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month on Twitch alone, depending on how many subscriptions and bits they receive. In a typical 6-hour gaming session, if you're actively engaging with your audience and building a community, you could earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per stream, especially once you're established. With consistent streaming, you could easily make $2,000 or more per month. Next, let's talk about YouTube gaming. YouTube offers streamers a powerful platform where you can monetize not just your live streams, but also your video uploads through ads, super chats, and channel memberships. It's a great choice if you want to earn money both from live streaming and on-demand content. To get started, you first need a YouTube account. Then, create a dedicated YouTube gaming channel if you haven't already. Add relevant keywords, a description, and eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. YouTube's algorithm loves consistent, high-quality content, so make sure to optimize your channel. After that, go live on YouTube Gaming and start streaming your gameplay. As your stream picks up viewers, they can use the Super Chat feature to send you money during the stream. Super Chats are virtual messages that fans can purchase, and each Super Chat can range from a few dollars to even hundreds, depending on how generous your viewers are. YouTube allows you to monetize your streams with ads. Once you reach the YouTube Partner Program eligibility, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll start earning money from ad revenue. Additionally, you can offer channel memberships, where viewers can pay a monthly fee for exclusive badges, emojis, and content. If you're consistent and attract a solid base of subscribers, you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per month just from YouTube alone. Add in super chats, memberships, and ad revenue, and you could be looking at $2,000 or more each month from streaming 6 hours a day. Let's dive into Trovo, a newer but growing platform similar to Twitch. Trovo focuses heavily on gaming, and it offers streamers various ways to earn money, including virtual gifts, donations, and even earning from the platform's own currency called Trovo Gems. To get started on Trovo, create an account and set up your profile. Trovo allows you to stream straight from your PC or mobile device, making it accessible for many gamers. Once your profile is set up, you can begin streaming your favorite games and interact with your viewers. Trovo's community is rapidly growing, so if you can get in early, you could build a loyal fan base. As your viewers send you gifts and gems, Trovo will reward you with real money. Trovo allows viewers to send you gems during your stream. For every 100 gems, you'll earn around $1. The more gems and gifts you get, the more money you'll earn. The real trick here is engaging with your audience and creating content that they want to support. Assuming you have a solid audience, you could earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per stream on Trovo, with the potential to make $2,000 or more per month if you consistently stream 6 hours a day. Facebook Gaming is another platform where gamers can earn money by live streaming. With over 2 billion monthly active users, Facebook has a massive audience, and if you're looking to monetize your gaming streams, this is a great option. To get started, create a Facebook page dedicated to gaming. Make sure to enable live streaming and set up your profile to reflect your gaming niche. Once you start streaming, encourage your viewers to send stars, which are Facebook's version of virtual gifts. For every 100 stars you receive, you earn $1. If you build up a dedicated audience who sends you stars regularly, you can make quite a bit of money. As your audience grows, you can apply for Facebook's partner program. This allows you to earn money through ad revenue and fan subscriptions, where viewers can pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or perks. Streamers on Facebook Gaming can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per month with stars alone, and when you combine this with ad revenue and fan subscriptions, it's not too hard to reach $2,000 a month. Finally, let's talk about DLive, a decentralized live streaming platform where you can earn money through virtual gifts, donations, and a unique cryptocurrency system. DLive has been gaining traction as an alternative to Twitch, and it offers a revenue-sharing model that benefits streamers significantly. To get started on DLive, create an account and customize your profile. DLive's platform allows you to stream directly from your PC, and it offers an easy-to-use interface for new streamers. Like other platforms, the more you engage with your viewers, the more they'll want to support you. DLive has its own virtual currency called Lino Points, which viewers can gift to you during your stream. Lino Points can be converted into real money. Streamers on DLive earn 90% of the revenue generated from gifts and donations in Lino Points. The more Lino Points you get, the more money you'll earn. You could easily make $500 to $1,000 per month on DLive if you have a consistent following. There you have it. 5 amazing platforms where you can earn up to $2,000 a month or more by simply playing video games and streaming your gameplay. Whether it's Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, Facebook Gaming, or DLive, each platform offers unique ways to make money, from virtual gifts and donations to subscriptions and ad revenue. The key to success on all of these platforms is consistency and engagement. Build a loyal community of viewers who enjoy your content and support you financially through donations and gifts. With dedication and the right approach, you can easily turn your love of gaming into a profitable venture. So start streaming today, and who knows? You might just be the next big gaming sensation earning $2,000 or more a month. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, keep gaming and keep earning.